Today I brought tourists to visit Chao Srei Vibol temple. This is the eastern entrance gate, one of the 4 entrance gates that has not yet been restored. As you can see in my footage, the eastern entry tower has suffered a massive collapse of sandstone blocks. The north and east gates were not included in my long video from a few months ago. In this short video, you can see that the Cambodian government built another set of stairs nearby for visitors to use safely. You can find my detailed description and the full video of Chao Srei Vibol in the links below. This short video was taken on July 13, 2026.